Oh, wait, it's not Jack. Yo, hey, where you heading?
Let's go to uni, come on in.
Yeah, get in.
How's it going? Picture you and me one sweet, sweet night in a pool of votive candlelight. Hey lady, take a good long glance. I ain't no pastor, I'm a stone cold master of romance.
Whoa, stop a second.
Oh,
Who's that?
that's not. Is that who I think it is?
Hey guys!
Hey!
What's going on?
What's going on?
Where are you guys going?
We're running late for class, so would you mind giving us a lift?
Oh, of course, yeah.
Hey guys!
Hey! You okay?
Yeah, we're
going?
good. Not bad.
So what have you guys been up to? What have you been doing?
We've actually just been rehearsing for the
Yes,
show.
for Sister Act. Honestly, it's been so much fun hanging out in our habits, getting up to some nonsense. Like,
You know-
Nonsense.
Saying that, I do feel really jealous.
Where are your habits?
we've got some extra gear if you'd want to.
Should we?
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay, cool.
Oh, we need to get to rehearsals now, don't we? Do you know which way we need to go?
I think it's right here, isn't it?
Oh yeah. If you follow him.
I will follow him.
Follow him.
Follow him wherever he may go. Oh, there isn't an ocean too deep.
How is everyone feeling about singing in the show? You guys excited?
I'm feeling a bit nervous,
Really?
actually.
Yeah,
just a
same.
little bit.
As the show says, you just have to remember that, first rule of singing, get the rafters ringing, toss everything in, dig down deep inside. When you've got a song worth hearing, there's one thing to do. Just keep your fear from interfering and let that sucker burst through. Take me to heaven, take me to ecstasy. I'll give you all I got, cause nothing's as hot as when you grew with me. No.
You take the boogie. Huh.
It's so make me lose control. Beep beep. It's the 14th, the 15th, the 16th, and the 17th. So it's
Yeah.
Wednesday through to Saturday, and then we've got 2 shows on the Saturday then as
I
well.
think it's great because some people want to go out Saturday night.
Yeah, so you can still come to the 2:30 show.
Exactly. Yeah, I was gonna say we've got
exactly,
the matinee at 2:30, evening show at 7:30.
Yeah.
Nottingham Arts
It's that
Theatre.
little pink one. It's so cute.
It is
Yeah.
the little pink one.
It's really nice
Thank
inside
you.
as well. The seats are super comfortable.
Yeah. And tickets are so good for money. Like literally, £12.50 or £10 if you're a
£10 if
student.
you're student. Oh my gosh, is that Emily?
It is!
Hey Emily!
We found another nun. We found another nun.
This is Emily, she's in the show too. Okay, bye. Thank you guys so much for getting in the car with me. We're almost at rehearsals now, so yeah, it's been good that I could drive in the carpool lane.
Oh, perfect.
No, thanks. Thanks a lot.
Have a little warm up on our way in.
Yeah.
So come along this week and see
Sister Act.